Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ringkat batkari India hi barok away ki bor sanchar district jong ka West Khasi Hills. Ringkat lang mat ki pat ba jong ka than ki Rakhe ka lingkho Sngi Laitluid ka ba nyop hunyo jong kari India. Da ka mensiam ka ba shit raham bat ka mensiam it ri ki pat ba ki lawan masaki ka ni Sngi kerpang jong kari hamadan ye lekai jong ka school St Peter's High Secondary School Nongston. Las dang ye ka ni ka Sngi da ka jingpen her ya ka lama lairong jong kari. Hakaba uba poling do o menteri katanat Arts and Culture, Social Welfare, Textiles but Tourism jong ka sorkar jilla ulapan her ya kalama kari India ban sngau sarong ya la ka jong kari bat ban buram ru ya ka la buat pat sada ka jingroi National Anthem hakaba ula shimru ya ka Rashtriya Salute na ka bentaki atpu sautli ki parade contingent ka ba kentop ki pulit Home Guard NCC Scout and Guide bat ki khana school.
An additional SP Nongston Shri HP Kharkumol MPS.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the chief guest has hoisted the flag, please. And after this, we will Samma of West Khasi Hills District Executive Force Nongston. This day is a reminder of the many sacrifices and struggles made by the freedom fighters. Gentlemen, approaching the saluting dais to take the salute now is platoon number 5, the NCC Girls Nongston College, led by Miss I. Ewkhd. Taking the salute now is the contingent of the women from KGP Sinat High Secondary School Nongston, led by Miss N. Laitluid. Inspector H. Sngi, Police Reserve Nongston. Arriving in the saluting dais to take the salute now is Parade Commander Inspector G.K. Samma of West Khasi Hills District Executive Force Nongston.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are happy to announce that of the 22 conducted this year celebration 2023, the first among the 24th marching contenders are the platoon number 1, West Khasi Hills District. Next in line is GNV Girls Nongston, led by Miss now arriving at the saluting dais with a total number of 31 students, which is Nongston Public Secondary Boys School, which is Miss Led.
Happy Independence Day, my dear citizens. It gives me tremendous pleasure to extend my heartfelt greetings to all of you on India having completed 76 years of its independence. It is a solemn occasion for us to reflect on the many struggles, sacrifices and contributions of those who were our freedom fighters. As proud Indians, today we remember with respect the great sacrifices of our leaders like Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We also remember our freedom fighters from this soil, Utirot Singh, Ukyang Namba, and Batu and Samo. And we also respectfully remember the sacrifices made by martyrs from the armed forces, the paramilitary forces, and the police forces of our country. This year finds us at a unique juncture of our history. As India assumes the G20 presidency, our country is poised to provide leadership to the community of G20 nations. This presents an unprecedented opportunity for us to forge new partnerships in the fields of development, sustainability, and climate resilience. The overall law and order situation in the state is by and large peaceful. To open the police force, a total of 1,010 police personnel have been recently appointed.